Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put yourself in any shape on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select video and then select new, and then I'm going to add for example my tutorial video to this project tutorial, or maybe video I want to react. For instance, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, this is my tutorial video, and for example, I'm going to add myself in a shape on this project. I'm going to click on PIP, and then I'm going to go to my gallery album. Okay, I'm going to add this video guys. Let's say that this is me, but I'm just picking a random video from my gallery. And wait, I'm going to zoom in like this, and then to put this video in a shape, we can go to the mask option, select mask, and you can choose the shape you want to apply. For instance, I'm going to apply circle like this, and then I'm going to make it smaller. All right, that's done, and click on the check mark, and you can place this video on any part of your video like this. And wait, I'm going to move it down. All right. Okay, and if you want to change the shape, you just need to go back to the mask, and you can apply another shape, triangle, or maybe heart, or rectangle. It's up to you, like this. And I'm just going to choose circle. Okay, don't forget to click on the PIB first before you change the shape. Okay, and this is the final result guys. And if you want to save this video to your device, you just need to go to the export menu. Okay, just click on export and choose the resolution and save the video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put yourself in any shape on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.